Good evening, past President Rotarian Rangarao. I'm very happy to welcome you to this public image initiative. As you have been in the space of community work and working along with excellent CSR partners, both in terms of funding and execution, can you tell us more about how you make it work and work better?
Thank you, Naveen. Greetings from the Rotary Club of Bangalore. Who better than Rotary? Rotary Bangalore has been around for 87 years and has practiced huge community interventions, be it in health, education, hygiene, vocation, and youth avenues of service.
True.
The latest is in the environmental areas. We have built the best blood bank in the country. We run a free hospital, majorly into dialysis, constructed 40 greenfield schools, refurbished over 108 government primary schools, refurbished 60 Anganwadis, constructed a huge skill center for the destitute. We make possible for at least 100 B.Ed scholarships to graduates. We revamped over 27 primary health centers. We started telemedicine in a big way. And finally, we are in the process of regeneration of the once mighty Palar River and many more socially relevant projects. Rotary is really a champion of champions for the lesser privileged. Each year, it reaches out to crores of people and spends billions of dollars. There is no greater gratification than to pat our back for having abolished the dreaded polio, which was taking away more than 5 lakh children per year. We abolished polio in India in 2012. I remember that each member, spouse, and the member children participated in many national immunization camps. It is one of the greatest ever achievements in this world. You know why? There are two good reasons. Rotary is an enabler, and ideally, it should not run any project. The job of the Rotary is to find resources and find the needy and ensure speedy distribution. And who are these enablers? They are called Rotarians. They comprise of clean, simple citizens who have already reached some benchmarking in their chosen profession, business, vocation. In the Rotary Club of Bangalore, we have a huge membership of doctors, lawyers, chartered accountants, corporate leaders, businessmen, educationists, and others.
Yeah.
Who better than these determined people to give to the community? Unlike many other multinational agencies, Rotary's admin cost is hardly 2%, and even that is met out of some fundraising, which is other than the project funding.
Yep.
While all the other admin costs are around 43 to 47% of the project funding. In fact, this is the single reason why pulse polio eradication was handed over to us worldwide. No wonder the Charities Index, which is a worldwide ranking agency, has rated the Rotary Trust as the most efficient, most transparent, and most well-managed foundation of the world. To look for resources and reach it to the needy, unblemished by political or religious considerations of the present-day world, is what we are and what we represent. We have the wherewithal, the passion, and the determination to make the world a better place. Hard work works. RCB is in the most unique position to be a huge player in making available better livelihoods to the people, simply because of the flavor and the status of its memberships. We have been on the same path for 87 long years. The reach, the understanding, the ability to look ahead into the future, and finally, the networking ability of our club are simply stupendous. If not Rotary, who else can do it right? Many corporates have been extending substantial help to the economically challenged, and after the CSR rules, far more larger companies have jumped into the fray of nation building. What do the corporates need? The corporates need to be committed to the last mile connectors like us to ensure the end use of their hard-earned profits. The corporates need to measure the sustainability and impact of their contribution rather than a hit and run charity. The corporates need a systemic path of service work and will look for long term remedial measures. Corporates also do look for public image and showcase the welfare measures that it is taking to be more visible. Who else can provide this facet other than the Rotary Club of Bangalore? What we really need to do is to connect with like-minded corporates or any donor to that matter who believe in quality and an impactful delivery. The USP of Rotary Club of Bangalore is that it cares and it values partnerships to the complete gratification of all the stakeholders in the society. Come, let's build the lives of lesser privileged and let's be better ancestors to our children. Who better than Rotary Club to partner with on your CSR? Thank you.
Great. This is very interesting insight. And thank you very much for your time. And we look forward to your continuous guidance in the coming years about the CSR activities. Thank you once again.
Thank you.